I've been keen on smoothies for a while now, and in that time I've tried out a lot of recipes with a whole host of ingredients. Sometimes you follow recipes that you think will be delicious and will have everything you need, but there's always something missing. Maybe it tastes chalky or it just isn't sweet enough. So I'm going to give you some ingredient ideas that will enhance the taste, texture and make your healthy smoothie not be such a chore to put together and drink. Please note though, some of these ingredients will add calories to whatever smoothie recipe you're currently using, so if you're counting calories or trying to lose or add weight to your frame, make sure that you're on top of how many calories you're taking. Number 1 is frozen berries. Blueberries, raspberries, strawberries, blackberries, red berries, cranberries. All of these are great for making your smoothie a little bit more sweet without losing on nutrients. Yes, you could add a tablespoon of sugar to your smoothie, but to me that's just cheating. Berries are going to add a good amount of antioxidants, whereas adding pure sugar has no vitamins or minerals, even brown sugar. The best way of buying them is frozen. You could buy them fresh, but fresh can be a bit more expensive for a smaller amount. What I do, I go to a wholesaler and I buy a really big bag of blackberries, frozen blackberries. They're my favourite, and that generally lasts me for at least a month. Number 2, banana. Keep them cold. Bananas are great. I make sure I keep them in the fridge or the freezer. The main reason I use them is for texture. A banana will make the smoothie a little bit sweeter, but a banana also is a fruit that enhances the texture of a smoothie. Sometimes you put a smoothie together and it doesn't blend well, or it separates, so you're left with a chalky base which sometimes can taste gross because all of the delicious stuff has gone to the top. Well, adding a banana or half a banana will make the texture a little bit more smoother and make it a little bit more creamier, so you won't have that awful separation. Number 3 is avocados. Avocados, much like bananas, is really good for changing the consistency and texture. It doesn't alter the taste much, but it does make the smoothie a little bit more creamier and smooth. Not only that, avocado is high in monounsaturated fats, basically the good fats that you should really try and get more of in your diet. But do note, however, avocados are really high in calories, so make sure you know how much you're putting in. Number 4 is mint leaves. As you've guessed it, good for your breath, and the taste is really good at masking some of the less delicious ingredients you might have to have in there, like kale. Mint is also pretty cheap to get your hands on, and you don't really need to add much to taste the difference. Last, but by no means least, is vanilla essence. If you're someone who cannot use whey protein, maybe you're lactose intolerant, vegan, or whatever it may be, you may have to use soy, hemp, rice, or pea protein as your protein powder. But the problem I've had in the past is that these proteins can taste really bad, especially rice and pea protein. They can taste really offensive to me. So one thing I do is I add a drop or two of vanilla essence, and that usually makes the taste a little better. Try it out for yourself. It also works well with chocolate smoothies too. So there it is, that's my top 5 smoothie taste hacks, if you want to call it that. Hopefully you found something useful. Tell me of any hacks that you use that makes your smoothie taste a little better. Also, check out the link to my latest ebook in the description below. I really think you're going to like it. So with that being said, thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.